Everyone is trying to make money online. Videos are being watched every day, but in this short video, I'll walk you through the necessary steps to achieving success with a passive income by doing something fun. Hey guys, welcome to the channel Side Hustle Pursuit, where we show you how to build wealth and ditch that 9 to 5. So be sure to subscribe and hit that bell notification every time we release new content just like this. So here we go. You're interested in print on demand, but you're trying to understand the basics and how you can make money with it. Print on demand is when a customer purchases a product from your website and then the product is printed, packed, and shipped without you worrying about all the extra stuff. So here's how you're going to start. We'll give you a simple 2-step process. Step 1. Open up an Etsy or Shopify store. Both are fairly easy to use, but make sure you understand the cost for setup. In the case you don't have a website and want to use a site like these, the advantage is that they are authority sites and that some of the heavy lifting has already been done, making them easy to showcase your creations. Step 2. Decide print-on-demand provider you want to work with. By setting up step 2 here, you're integrating your store to a print-on-demand provider. There are various ones, but we'll recommend Printful and Printify. This is a passive business model anyone can do and easily set up. While there are many ways to do this, this is a quick 2-step recommendation to get started. Well, that's it for this short video. Thanks again for watching, and check out more of our print-on-demand tip videos here as well.